Hey guys, welcome back to the Auto Profit Sites training area. In this video, we're going to be talking about the ads and images, okay? So if we go to the example, you're going to see that we've got a simple logo, we've got this banner that comes across the top, and then we've got other ones across the side, okay? Now, if we go to the left hand side, we've got logos and ads, okay, and here we've got a system where you can create them, okay. So essentially by clicking on these buttons, it's going to open up an image creator of the relevant size, okay, and you can either design it, or you can design your images elsewhere and then just upload them into the system and save it. Or for a lot of affiliate products, you're going to be able to go out and basically find banners and images that you want. Okay. So, let's just simple to show you the logo. Okay. So you can see it automatically selects the correct size, and I'm going to put in a name so I know which one it is. I'm going to click create, and it's going to load this, and you can see essentially this is what we've got. This box here is essentially the logo, okay? And what you need to remember here is that the page needs to be loaded on 100% zoom. So a lot of browsers, you see my browser here, there is a zoom plus 100, and if it's not 100%, it's going to save it with the percentage that is there, so it won't quite work. So make sure you get it to 100% whilst you're working. And what you'll see here is on the left hand side, we've got a layers tab here, and you'll be able to create a variety of layers. And on the right hand side, you'll have settings, and these settings here will be dependent upon what you select. And at the top, we've got the ability to throw in a background, throw in some text, images, and shapes, for example, okay? So if I just throw in the text here, and I'm going to put in, demo logo, for example, I'm going to click add text, it's going to paste it in there, and you can see that there. Now I can drag this out and make it bigger and smaller. I can hover over it and I can move it about. But as you can see here on the right hand side, the settings now show a whole range of different bits and pieces. Okay, so I can choose a different font, I can choose a different color by moving these about. Okay, so whatever I want it to be, and I just I can click out to look at it, and you'll see that it disappears because I'm now no longer selected it. If I click on it again, I'm selecting it, and I can go through, and you can see there's a whole range of different settings and features that that I could decide to use. Okay, and I can make that fill the size of it, and I can move it about wherever I want, just so I put it there and click. Now here we've got images and shapes. Now for like the logo, you're probably not going to want to put in an image because it's so small, isn't it? But essentially here you've got the ability to search for different things. So this is potentially like more for like the banner ads and such like. So you can find all these different images, and then once you've selected one, you would just click use image, and it would paste it onto the, let's just paste it on there. It's probably going to be massive. There you go. So you can see there it's huge. It's too big for the thingy, but I just wanted to show you, once it's there, you've got the ability to click on these, move them about, change some of the settings, sepia, grayscale, blur, loads of different features. Okay, so if I want to delete that now, because obviously that is, it's no good for me on this one, I go across to my layers, and you can see what image there, and I can just click X to delete it. It comes up and says yes, it's gone. Whilst we're here under layers, you've also got the ability to duplicate something. So if you wanted to have the same setup here. I can move that, make that a secondary one, but let's just delete that for now. Delete that. And then you've got shapes here. So you've got, loads of different shapes here that you might want to use for a variety of different systems, setups, for example. So let's just move this so it's on the screen. And then I can go ahead like we did before, change the color, for example. And, once you're happy with what you've actually created, what you're going to do is you're going to click Save and Close. And you'll see somewhere, that's what we've got. Okay, that is what we've got. Now, in terms of finding if you find a image that you want to use, you found a banner from an affiliate JV page, for example, this is what you would do. So you click that, and then what you would do is you would click on image, and you would basically click here, file, image, upload, and then once you've selected there, you would click upload, and it would go up to 100%, and then it would display here. And then all you would do is you would select the image, and it's there. And then you can just click Save and Close, okay? So that is how simple it is to create these images for your ads, for your logos, for example. And then once we go through to the campaign setup, we'll show you how to apply the links so that people can actually click on them for the ads. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video.